The days when the big banks seemed all-powerful and untouchable in their domination of the financial sector are now over. Because their industry is being reinvented. After being knocked off course by the financial crisis, now banks face an even more daunting challenge: digitalization. A growing number of people now do their banking on their phones. With fintech firms providing the products to meet that demand, banks need new ideas fast.
Innovation's not a core bank activity.
Vamo enables customers to invest money in a range of funds online. But as the fintech firm does not have a banking license, its founders are still dependent on partnerships with regular banks.
We're helping banks to establish their own digital solutions for their customers, often under their own brand name. We provide the technology and perform the majority of value chain activities. So ultimately, we are the technology partner helping the banks to speed up and offer these services at lower cost.
The new challengers in the financial arena now offer what previously only banks were able to. Credit Shelf connects small and medium-sized enterprises with investors. The securing of loans via the online marketplace is an uncomplicated process with less collateral required. Traditional banks have been subject to tighter restrictions on their operating conditions since the financial crisis.
Banks are now increasingly struggling to provide simple, fast financial solutions, particularly for SMEs. This creates a window of opportunity for fintech companies like us to enter the market with new products, simple and fast products. We do the business that banks now prefer to avoid.
Digitalization is also impacting on the core business of Commerzbank. With over 11 million customers, Germany's second biggest bank. In the wake of the financial crisis, it made thousands of staff redundant and closed hundreds of branches. These days, most customers only pop in person if they need face-to-face advice on a loan or pension scheme. Caught napping by the digital revolution, the big banks are now desperately trying to make up that lost ground by looking over the shoulders of fintech firms. Neugelb is a new agency that Commerzbank hopes will take it into the future. It was set up by Ole Franke, a newcomer to the financial world. Coming from the tech sector, he has a clear idea of what the banking of tomorrow should look like.
Everything has to go much faster, practically in real time, and also must be a lot less complicated. We've already become a lot more mobile. People now do their banking everywhere, not only at the bank or from home, but on the subway too.
And not from their computers, of course, but via smartphone. Commerzbank has undertaken to improve its app, to make it more user-friendly and equip it with more functions. Customers can use it to check their bank balance or transfer money.
We have to change as our customers change. Developing digital apps is different to creating paper-based products.
Banks will have to get used to sharing their business with fintech companies. The digital revolution may be a quiet one, but its repercussions will be resounding.